All right, how's it going everyone? Dr. Dan and Dr. Emily over here. We're going to go through some of our Hypervibe whole body vibration exercises on the new G17s, right? So this is version 1, this is version 2. These new ones, they're all touch screen, which is really awesome. You can upload different programs onto them. We use these machines with almost every chiropractic patient that comes into the clinic, weight loss patients. All of our gym members have access to the incredible benefits of whole body vibration, which we've talked about in other videos. In this video, we're going to talk about something we call the drop-in position, which is a nice athletic position for the leg and for the hip, all right? So Dr. Emily, why don't you step up? And we're going to do this as, this is part of our GOATA training, our GOATA coaching that we work on here in the office to develop better fluidity, better spine mobility, and better back chain activation. Back chain is hip, glute, hamstring, and butt, right? So we're going to turn the machine on. We're going to get it up to about 12. Now, this is Dr. Emily's first time doing the drop-in position, so 12 is even a pretty aggressive number for some people. What this exercise is great for is anybody with low back pain, ankle, foot, knee problems, plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, anybody that feels tight in their lower back, okay? So we're gonna start with the foot down, and we wanna have most of the pressure through the outside of the foot. Just rest on the heel, okay? So Dr. Emily's gonna do this as an assisted drop-in where she's holding onto the handlebars. She has light pressure down through her foot. She's gonna pull her knee open, and she's gonna really coil or lean into this left side as she tucks her hip back and presses down through that foot. And what she's getting into right now is a really awesome, what we call a bow set, right? So when we walk, we drop in and then we spin to the other side, right? So we develop this awesome total body fluidity, this systemic body movement, right? The whole body vibration machine really is allowing her to train her posterior chain and lat. You see how she's opening up her neck right here. So we're actually setting one big curvature in the leg, another big curvature in the spine, and then a third curvature up here in the neck. And this is a great total body stretch. Let's raise this heel up high now. Pull that knee open and just press down. And you feel, what do you feel? You feel how that really gets deep into the hamstring, right? So whole body vibration helps to promote circulation. It helps to train our muscles, our ligaments, our connective tissues, and our tendons to really develop stability and strength under that whole body vibration, that unstable surface almost. And Dr. Emily's gonna hold this for about 2 minutes. She's at 8 minutes, so let's switch over to the other side. Right foot up. We're gonna start with the heel down just a little bit and just slowly sink in, right knee open. She extends that low back. She's really packed, not hyper extending the low back. Do you have any tension in your low back? A little, so she's gonna pack the hip back to put it down into the leg a little more. Now Dr. Emily's very flexible, so she does look like she's in that extreme lumbar lordosis, but this is a totally safe position for her. If she felt overloaded in the low back, then we would make some changes, but you should feel most hamstring, correct? Yeah. Now raise that heel up a little bit and try to keep those toes down like that. So in the foot, we're working on this high foot position, strengthening the arch, the knees open, the spine is curving, and then she's got this nice long stretched out head right here. She's holding this position for another minute before we switch back to the left side. And what she's working on here is a little bit more of a lean and get that heel way high up. And you can feel this hamstring and glute, right? Okay, so now let's step up both legs up on the machine. And now we're gonna work, that was the single leg drop-in position. That's a great exercise to help balance out your left pelvis and your right pelvis. And now we're gonna work on a slight squat. And then hinge forward a little bit and bend your knees, and then left, shift left, and now left heel up and left knee open. And now she's working more of the bilateral, still the left side drop-in, but now most of her weight is on her left leg. Now let's shift over to the right drop-in. And when we say drop-in, again, it's that 3 curvature system. The knees open, she's loaded up into her backside, her posterior chain as we call it. the lats got it, and she's got no neck tension, all right? So this is your Hypervibe drop-in position. Shift left again for us. And get that left heel up nice and high. And really when we get that heel up, man, she's working her calf, her hamstring, and her glute coming up into the lat, and now stretch the neck away. And that's that beautiful, beautiful side movement that we want to develop, okay? Shift right one more time. Knee open, all right? So a couple key points here. We really want to focus on the foot strength, the knee position. We want to be outside that body, and we want to lean right into that side. So we've got this nice compressed side, and the opposite side is going to be that nice and tall side, all right? Awesome job. So she's going to spend about 10 minutes going through left side, right side, and if she wants to step off, let's actually step right foot off, and then we're going to turn this foot in right over here, okay? And now she's going to lean into that left side, and now this shoulder's hiked up, this shoulder's down. Now we've got that compressed or coiled side, and over here we've got that nice long stretched out side. So if you've seen any of our other videos or trainings, anything like that, we teach a very specific set of movements to help unlock the body's full, what we say, genetic movement potential. And the Hypervibe takes our training up to an entirely new level by creating an unstable surface that really helps to hone and train the nervous system, the brain, and all the muscles throughout the body. All right? Great job. See you guys on future videos.